Hey, how's it going, everyone? Brad here from West Coast Motorcycle Adventures. I just had my Yamaha TW200 serviced by Les at Hypertek Motorcycles in Courtenay BC. He adjusted my valves and he also adjusted my carb screw and my clutch. And I have to say, this bike is now running better than it did when I first bought it. It is purring like a kitten, and I'm just going to start it up and let you guys hear it. So here we go. Now, doesn't that sound good? Yeah, I am very stoked with my service at Hypertek Motorcycles in Courtenay BC. I will definitely be back for all my service. Thanks, Les. And thanks everyone for watching. Have a nice day.